Welcome to Kitchen Minutes. Mutton Qorma. Subscribe. Take 1.5 big spoons of oil. Add 2 big sliced onions. Saute for 2 minutes. Fry onion till brown. Take out some onion, spread on paper. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute till raw smell goes off. Roast meat for 5 minutes. Take 2 cups of yogurt. Take Quorma Masala. Add half Quorma Masala in yogurt. Mix it well. When lumps gone, pour yogurt mix in mutton. Stir well. Add 1 mug eater. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook for 15-18 minutes. Check after 15-18 minutes. Meat is tender. Add crushed onion. Mutton Quorma is ready. Subscribe.